Yeah, I was gonna say, frisbee golf hole. Somebody, yeah, this big limb blew down last night. I was telling everybody we had 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts here. Yeah, you might can see that up there. I can't tell if it's light enough. That limb broke from right there. And that's the base of it, the length of it. Here's some limbs that blew down. Slowed down the frisbee golf a little bit. More trees down there. You see that fresh wood over there. Yeah, here's another pretty good size one that came down. Yeah, look at that. There's where it snapped off there. Yeah, I'm saying here it was from the side where it snapped it off. There's a close-up of it. Took this one down. There's another one way over there. Here's one of the trees that the city planted out here. That wind snapped it like a toothpick. Just starting to leaf out. That's not a happy little tree. Yet took them down, one down out of this one too. One right there snapped off. Top of that one there, right here, snap that one off. And that's them on the ground. So it got them too. That one, that one, that one. Then there's another one right here beside it, maple tree. Yep, the maple tree is about gone. That's where it snapped off. Here's the end of it. Hung up in all that mess. Hell, this was a trees down compilation. Yeah, over here at the park where I go all the time. April 20th, 2023. Much love.